Welcome to the racing competition. First is the cyan tractor. The second is the white sports car, blue sports car, yellow sports car, red sports car. Last is the water truck. The race officially begins. The tractor goes first. Let's see how it performs. Let's look forward to it together. The tractor sounds really powerful. Oh my, the slope is very steep. Oops, it slid down. Let's try again. Unfortunately, it didn't reach the finish line. The tractor failed. Let's see how the white sports car performs. The white sports car takes off. Oh no, it also flipped over. No problem. Let's try again. Almost reaching the finish line. Great. The white sports car successfully reached the finish line. The third blue sports car. Oops, it also slid down. Today's race is quite challenging. Great! The blue sports car withstood the pressure and succeeded. The fourth yellow sports car starts off. The yellow sports car is really powerful. Sports car smoothly reached the finish line. The red sports car also starts off. Oh no, it flipped over. Successfully reached the finish line. The last water truck. Oops, it flipped over. Really unfortunate. Ultimately failed.